Imagine crafting gourmet meals, smelling the rich aromas of freshly baked bread or sizzling herbs, and yet, not tasting a single bite. For one extraordinary woman, this is her reality. For the past 8 years, she hasn't eaten anything, not food, not snacks, not even water. And here's the kicker, she's a professional chef. Yes, the very thing she can't do, eat, is at the heart of her passion. Intrigued? You're about to uncover one of the most extraordinary stories of resilience, survival, and love for food. Leticia Machado is a renowned chef from Brazil, celebrated for her ability to create exquisite dishes that delight anyone lucky enough to taste them. But she lives with a rare and life-altering condition called chronic intestinal pseudo-obstruction, a severe illness that prevents her digestive system from processing food or liquids. To survive, Leticia relies entirely on Total Parenteral Nutrition, or TPN, a medical process where nutrients are delivered directly into her bloodstream through an IV. For her, this is life. No sit-down dinners, no guilty midnight snacks, not even a sip of water on a hot day. It's a reality that could crush most people's spirits, but Leticia has turned her challenge into a testament of strength and passion. Imagine cooking for hours without taking a single taste. Let's be honest, how many of us have taste tested half the cookie dough before it even makes it to the oven? Yet, Leticia continues to craft extraordinary meals, relying on her intuition, culinary knowledge, and feedback from trusted tasters to ensure every dish is perfect. Her journey wasn't always like this. 8 years ago, Leticia enjoyed food just like the rest of us, relishing every bite of her favorite meals. But when her illness struck, her world was turned upside down. Doctors struggled to diagnose her condition, and by the time she received an answer, her body could no longer tolerate food or water. For most, this would have meant the end of a culinary career, but Leticia wasn't ready to give up. Instead, she channeled her love for food into something greater, cooking not for herself, but for the joy of others. She believes that food is about more than just taste. It's about love, community, and creating shared experiences. In fact, she says her inability to eat has deepened her connection to cooking. What keeps her going? Knowing she can never taste the fruits of her labor. For Leticia, it's her belief in the power of food to bring people together. Every dish she creates is a way to spread happiness, to connect with others, and to prove that even in the face of unimaginable challenges, passion can thrive. Her story has also helped raise awareness about invisible illnesses like hers, inspiring countless people to appreciate life's small joys and find meaning in their struggles. Leticia's story is a powerful reminder of the resilience of the human spirit. It's not just about overcoming physical limitations, it's about finding purpose, joy, and connection in the face of adversity. Could you turn such a challenge into an opportunity? Let us know what you think. And if this story inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more incredible stories about resilience, wonder, and the extraordinary world we live in.